Goiter, not TRE. What is goiter? Enlarged thyroid. It can be diffusely enlarged thyroid, uniformly diffusely enlarged thyroid, diffuse goiter. It can be multiple nodular goiter, multiple nodules, and it can be solitary nodule. Correct? So please remember, this is the most common symptom or sign. What is manifestation of thyroid disease? It can be hyper, it can be hypo. And the most common cause for this goiter is dietary iodine deficiency. So where does iodine comes from? It comes from salt. Where is the salt? In the ocean, in the sea. Correct? You remember Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi did that march to make salt in the Britishers' time. So salt comes from ocean. Where is the ocean? Ocean is on the Mother Earth, inside the Mother Earth. It is not on the mountains. It is not on the Himalayas. It is not on the people living in hill stations, people who are on the mountainous regions. Correct? So they suffer from dietary iodine deficiency because there is no ocean water there. Correct? So please remember, the most common cause for goiter, enlarged thyroid, is dietary iodine deficiency. How to take care of it? Simple, by the salt which is supplemented with iodine or iodide. Two types I've already told you. The diffuse non-toxic goiter. Why is it called diffuse? Because it is diffuse, uniformly, diffusely enlarged. Why it is non-toxic?